Using a 3/4 inch socket, we're going to go ahead and remove the wheel. I'm going to use a 14mm socket and remove the upper caliper bolt and the lower caliper bolt. Take the caliper, slide that off. You want to go ahead and use a hanger, support that up and out of the way. Go ahead and remove the brake pads. Using a 21mm socket, go ahead and remove the caliper bracket. Remove this bolt here and the one just above it. Line up and install the caliper bracket. Go ahead and get a bolt lined up and installed. Once you get that upper bolt started, go ahead and install the lower bolt. I'm going to go ahead and torque these bolts to 125 foot-pounds. Install the brake pad slides. I'm going to install the inboard brake pad and the outboard pad. Take the old caliper, grab one of the mounting bolts, line this up, and you want to hang the caliper on the caliper bracket. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to go ahead and just break this bolt free for the brake line. You want to have a catch can underneath because brake fluid will leak out. Once you have that loose, remove the upper caliper bracket bolt. I'm going to slide this off and support it at the same time. Remove that bolt. Remove the upper caliper bracket bolt. I'm going to slide this off and support it at the same time. Remove that bolt. And go ahead and pop that line free. On the back side of this block, there is going to be a copper crush washer. You want to make sure that you can get that off. There'll be a copper crush washer on each side. I'm just going to use a pair of cutters here. You can use pliers. Ours happen to be stuck on there. Go ahead and discard those. Take the old bolt, a new copper crush washer, slip that on, slide it through the block, put the other crush washer on the other side of that bolt, take the new caliper, line that up, and get that started on. Go ahead and line this up and set the new caliper on. I'm going to go ahead and torque down the brake line hose to 23 foot-pounds. Get an upper bolt started. Do the same for the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and snug up these bolts. I want to torque down the caliper bolts to 32 foot-pounds. Once this is torqued, you want to go ahead and proceed to your brake bleeding process. Go ahead and get that wheel installed. Go ahead and snug these down. Torque range is 85 foot-pounds to 115. We're going to actually torque these to 100 foot-pounds. Do this in a crisscross pattern.